It's very stiff, obviously very rigid. Hey guys, Chaz here. I've got a relatively new product from Rigid Industries. This is their 360 Connect series light bar. This one here is a 40-inch. It is available in 30, 40, and 50-inch configurations. So as you can see on the top here, you have an empty hole, and then you have this screw that's put in here. This is the current straight configuration. You can also radius the light bar to fit a front bumper or any curved application that you have. Let's pop the covers off and see what's underneath. So with this 40-inch bar, you can see that we have 4 spots in the middle, 2 driving lights on either side. These spots are going to direct the light far down in front of you. These driving lights are going to give you nice wide angle lighting. As you curve it as well, you can get a wider beam pattern. Each light is wired individually, so if you'd like to add or remove lights from this light bar, you can easily do that with these brackets. It's very stiff, obviously very rigid. This light bar is not going to shake. It's not going to have any vibrations in it if you use their optional mounts. These are American-made mounts, very thick, very durable, can hold up on a race car, can hold up on a UTV, obviously can hold up on whatever application that you have. The 360 Connect's got a lot of cool features. One of them is the 7 unique backlight colors that you can toggle between. It is all made out of billet aluminum, and it has spot and drive beam. It does come with a wiring harness. It does work on 9 to 36 volts. It does have a 50,000 hour lifespan. There are other accessories like mounting solutions sold separately. The covers are included with the kit. I personally run Rigid Industries products on my race car and on my shop truck. If you guys are looking for the best deal, best quality, and best support when it comes to Rigid Industries, give us a call here at Battleborn Off-Road. We'll get you squared away.